Hello friends, today on 12th July 2025, we have brought you the latest updated gold and silver prices along with a detailed chart. Silver saw a big jump in yesterday's trading. Let's take a look at the full market update.
These rates have been updated after the final US market closing at 2:30 a.m. IST. Yesterday, both gold and silver performed strongly in the global market.
You can clearly see that the market showed a strong rally yesterday. Silver had been forming a flag pattern for several days, and yesterday it gave a breakout.
The rates provided here include IBJA, MCX, Google, and Delhi market prices. In addition, international benchmarks like COMEX Gold Futures, XAUSD, Gold Spot, and gold ETFs are also covered. The same applies to silver.
After days of silence, silver has finally broken out strongly. Every trader and investor must track gold and silver rates along with stock prices, as precious metals play a crucial role in understanding overall market sentiment and movement.
Let's now understand what IBJA, the Indian Bullion and Jewelers Association, is and how it works.
IBJA is a respected institution in India that declares the daily prices of gold and silver. It brings together bullion traders, banks, and jewelers from across the country. Every day, IBJA members, including major traders and jewelers, send their buying and selling prices to the association. IBJA calculates the average of all those prices, and based on that, it announces the rate for 999 and 995 purity gold per 10 grams.
IBJA, Indian Bullion and Jewelers Association, publishes gold and silver rates twice a day on its official portal. Afternoon, between 12 p.m. to 12:30 p.m., evening, between 5 p.m. to 5:15 p.m.
The silver rate per kilogram is also published. Where are IBJA rates used? Custom duties, banking transactions, jewelry industry, taxation and settlements, market reference pricing. The rates declared by IBJA are indicative prices, not real-time market prices, but they are widely used across India as a standard reference. What is MCX? MCX stands for Multi-Commodity Exchange of India Limited. It is India's largest commodity exchange, where trading happens in commodities like gold, silver, crude oil, copper, zinc, nickel, etc. MCX is a regulated platform supervised by SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, to ensure transparency and safety in trading. What happens on MCX? Just like stocks are traded on stock exchanges, commodities are traded on MCX. People trade based on price movements using futures contracts, meaning they buy-sell for a future delivery date. Example, you can buy gold on MCX today for delivery or settlement 1 month later. Google's gold rate is just an indicator, not the actual buying or selling price. Always verify the rate with IBJA, MCX, or your local jeweler before making any trading or investment decisions.
Let's now tell you about LBMA. LBMA, or the London Bullion Market Association, is an international organization headquartered in London, United Kingdom. It sets the global standards for the purity, weight, and trading of gold and silver.
Every day, the gold and silver prices announced worldwide are based on LBMA benchmarks, such as the LBMA gold price AM and PM.
In addition, LBMA maintains the Good Delivery List, which includes the world's top refineries, ensuring their credibility and global trust. So the international gold and silver prices you see today are largely influenced by the role LBMA plays in the global bullion market.